Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. Hey, I've got the air conditioner on, and this is where the air return grill used to be. And I took the grill off because there was water coming out from under this edge here, and it was only doing that when the air conditioner was on. So I took the vent cover out, because this is the return air vent. See how the water's dripping there in that pan? And I thought I'd have to call an air conditioning company for that. They'll probably charge $125 just to come out here and look at it. But I started thinking about it a little bit more, like what could be causing that? And here's a little closet door. And see, it's on right now. It's a carrier. And it's just pumping away. There's some Freon lines to it. And this line here is the condensate line. There's a pan underneath here. And when the condensate gets in it, it runs into the pan, and then it fills up into the pan, and then it runs out of this, comes over, and it goes right there into a pipe. And see, they've got a T here, and they just left it open. If I look down in there, I don't think you can see that. You see there? There's water in there. See how it's moving? And that tells me that the condensate pan and the condensate line the water should be going out through here. But we talked to somebody and they said, you know, your condensate drain could be plugged up a little bit, and it could be raised up. The water could be filled up into this pan and overflow the outside edge. I looked at it, and it's actually dripping from this edge right down through the plywood and right into this pan. Drip, drip. See there? And I'm not an air conditioner guy. You don't have to be either, but theory has it that if you're dripping water like that, then it's got to be from the condensate, because in order to run an air conditioner, I don't think there's any water line hooked up to it. We've got Freon lines, and that pumps the material in to the coils and makes everything really super cold. And the only water that's to it is the condensate that runs off of those pipes and drips, and it catches and formulates in here and goes out your drain wherever it is. So, you know, if that dripping was from anything else, a Freon line, you'd hear it like that, or all of the material would leak out of it outside, up in your ceiling, wherever you have your air conditioner, and then your air conditioner wouldn't work. It wouldn't get cold. We're getting cold air out of this, and so I think my next step, I'm going to take a look at this. Like I said, I'm not an air conditioner guy, and I really didn't want to have to look at this, but it only made sense to check it out. I'll have to turn the power off to it, and I'm going to take this cover off. I want to see down in there and see if I can see what's going on. And see, I've just got these little nuts to take off. There's 2, 3, there's one up there, and there's a couple over there. So if I take that off, hopefully, yeah, it looks like this will slide out through that. And then I can see in there, and then I might turn the air conditioner back on, see where it's dripping, and I might be able to fix it. It might be that there's just mud dauber nest or something that's caught up in here. There might be some lint in there. Who knows what I'm going to find in there? And I'm thinking that's all it's going to be. I'm going to feel pretty stupid if I call an air conditioner guy out here and I watch him take this cover off, clean it, and charge me $200 to come out here and do that. Nothing doing. I'm going to check it out first. If you want to learn how to fix this and see if we can't fix this leak, stick around.